concept of combination reaction. Basically, we have already discussed about the chemical reactions that are taking place in and around your laboratories. Now, when we have discussed the chemical reactions, there are basically different types of chemical reactions, out of which the first one which we are going to discuss is the combination reaction, and it is the most important one. So, in a combination reaction, we can see from the name itself, it actually means to combine. So, whenever we have different reactants and they combine to form a single product is known as a combination reaction. For example, if I have two reactants X, if I have X plus Y, that means I have two reactants, and then I get XY as the product. That means when we have two or more reactants that combine to form only a single product, that is known as a chemical reaction. Now there are different categories of chemical reaction. The first category is that when I have different elements to form a compound. When I have two or more elements which react to form the compound. For example, if I take the reaction of magnesium with oxygen, it will lead to the formation of magnesium oxide. In this, magnesium and oxygen are the elements and magnesium oxide is the compound. So basically, when two elements are combined together to form a single product, that is an example of a combination reaction. Whenever you are burning magnesium, magnesium is always in the form of a ribbon. So whenever you burn the magnesium ribbon in the presence of a basically in the form of a candle, in the front of a candle, it burns with sparkling white light. So you must remember this, magnesium always burns with a white, dazzling or a sparkling light. That is the presence, or actually the experiment to prove that actually there was presence of some magnesium in the chemical reaction. So this was one example in which I have taken two elements to form a single compound, that was magnesium oxide. I can also take formation of water, which is hydrogen plus oxygen will result into water. In this case also I have two elements and the final product is a compound. Now the next case is that when I have two compounds and these two compounds react together to form a new compound. Basically, when two compounds react to form another compound which is singular, that means only one compound, that is also an example of combination reaction. For example, if I have ammonia, that is NH3, it is reacting with HCl, that is hydrogen chloride. So when ammonia reacts with HCl, it will form NH4Cl. Now this NH4Cl is basically ammonium chloride. So when I have two compounds, ammonia and hydrogen chloride, that were two compounds, and the final product is ammonium chloride, that is also a compound, it is also an example of a combination reaction. The difference between these two are, in the reactant side I had basically two elements in the case 1, and in case 2 I had two compounds. There is one more example. If I am reacting water with quicklime, quicklime is basically calcium oxide. So when calcium oxide is reacting with water, I will get calcium hydroxide and heat. So basically, as there is production of heat, there is release of heat. So it is an exothermic reaction. Those reactions in which the heat is released on the product side, that means the heat is released into the environment, these are known as exothermic reactions. So basically, when two compounds, that is calcium oxide, quicklime and water, are reacted to form a new compound, that is calcium hydroxide. This is also a formation of a combination reaction. So in brief, I can say that when two or more substances, they can be elements, they can be compounds. So when these two substances combine together to form a singular compound, always a compound will be formed. A singular compound, that is a combination reaction. We have discussed 4 examples. One was the formation of magnesium oxide with white dazzling light. Other was formation of water. The third was formation of ammonium chloride, that is also a compound. And the fourth one was an exothermic reaction. This was the concept of combination reaction.